everyone! Today I am going to show you how to make this super moist banana chocolate chips cake. And first, butter the pan and line it with parchment paper, plus butter the parchment paper too. And then preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. If you're using degrees Celsius, it should be at 150. First, we are going to cream butter and sugar. We need 1 cup butter and 3/4 cup sugar. I am using unsalted butter, but if you are going to use salted butter, then you have to omit the salt later. As you can see, I am taking out a little bit of sugar. I don't want the cake to be very sweet. So to get a creamy texture, we are going to beat this until it becomes a creamy consistency. When the mixture starts to become creamy, then that's the time that we're going to add our eggs. Then continue beating so that the eggs will be fully incorporated with the cream mixture. And we should not forget to scrape the side of the bowl as we go.
Sweet dough, Mama, sweet dough. Can you try? Can you try, please?
Now we're gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of milk. Then continue beating until the mixture will become silky and creamy. In a separate bowl, we are going to smash 2 regular sized bananas.
I got it. Mom, can you smash the banana? Mom, can you smash the banana? Please. Can you smash it? I want to smash it.
Okay. Oh, smash, hurry up.
Yeah.
Okay, now. After we smash the banana, then we're gonna add it into our cream butter mixture. And mix it well. Okay, don't show your face, okay?
Nothing.
Now time to add our dry ingredients. To measure the flour accurately, we are going to spoon it into the cup. And then we are going to level it off. A little bit extra is okay. I am taking out 2 tablespoons and adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to make this into a cake flour. We should not scoop the flour with a measuring cup right from the bag, otherwise we will end up having too much flour than it is required and it will greatly affect our finished product. So for the recipe, I am going to put the list on the description box below, so make sure to check it. So we are going to sift together our dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. If the batter used is salted, then you should omit the salt. Sifting is going to make the mixing of the dry and liquid ingredients easier and also will minimize its lumps. Mix it together until the batter is smooth and there is no more lumps. And don't forget to scrape the bottom of the bowl just in case there's any flour lumps form at the bottom, and we don't want any flour lumps or like rock flour in our cake.
Can I have some dough, Mom? Can I have some? Please. I want some. Please. Can I have one?
Yeah.
Mama, did I ask for mixing already, Mama?
Yes, you did.
So can I have some? Each chocolate, chocolate chip, they're my favorite. Like these, I like these ones.
Yes.
Like these my favorite. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, that's enough, Elijah. Not too much, okay?
What?
Okay, really smooth.
I see the chocolate, Mom. I see the chocolate over here.
Yes.
that too much, Mama? What? That's too much. Four. And 50.
3.
1, 33, 34, 36, 47, 48, 59, 50.
Look at it. Start. Count. I said sorry.